everyone. Hope you all are good. We are here for grade 4 math. So you can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab. Scroll down to grade 4 and then click on view all lessons. So there you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter subtraction. And the lessons we're going to cover today are subtraction, fill in the missing digits, subtract numbers up to millions, subtraction patterns over increasing place values, choose numbers with a particular difference. So let's just start with the chapter subtraction. So basically subtraction means taking away a specific number from the other number, right? Let's just start with the chapter lesson subtraction, fill in the missing digits. Okay, type the missing digit. So you can see one of the digit is missing, right? You have to find the missing digit. How do you find? You have 1, the missing number, and 5, right? That means it must be 11, right? Because you cannot subtract any number from 1, right? No, not 4, it is 6 because you have 5 here. So 11 minus 5 is 11 minus 6 is 5, it is 5, right? You cannot subtract 1, so you need to borrow 1. That would be 11 minus 6 is 5. Here you have 5. 5 minus 5 is 0 and 7 minus 3 is 4. So the missing number is 6. Got it? Let's just start with the test questions. Okay, you have to find the missing number, right? Let's just subtract from here. You cannot subtract 1 out of 4, so you borrow 1. It would be 11. 11 minus 4 is 7. You cannot subtract 3 out of 8, so you have to borrow 1. It would be 13. 13 take away 8 is 5. Then you cannot subtract 2 out of 7. That means you must borrow 1 from here, right? Okay, when you borrow 1 from here, here you have 12. 12 minus 7 is 5. Okay, you have 4 here, right? That means here you have the missing digit is 4. How do I know? You borrowed 1 from here. When you borrow 1 from here, you are left with 3 here. You borrow 1 from here, you have 13 here, and 13 minus 4 is 9. Here you have 8, and 8 minus 3 is 5, right? That means the missing number is 4. Got it? So the missing digit is 4. The correct option is 4. Okay, the next one is type the missing digit. Okay, so which digit is missing? Options you have 9 and 6. 2 minus which number is 3? Which is the correct option? Which digit is it is? That must be 9 because you borrow 1 from here. So 12 minus 9 is 3. And you have 5 here. You cannot subtract. You have to borrow 1. 15 minus 7 is 8. 1 minus 1 is 0. And 9 minus 7 is 2. So missing number is 9. Got it? The missing number is 9. Okay, the next one is 0 minus 9. Which is the correct option? You cannot subtract 0 out of 9, right? That means you must borrow 1 from here to make it 10. 10 minus 9 is 10 minus 9 is 1. So the missing number is 1. Got it? The missing number is 1. Okay, which is the missing number? That's the one we did in the tutorial. So which number is missing? 5 or 6? Which is the missing number? The missing number is 6, right? 11 take away 6 equals 5, right? So the missing number is 6. Okay, let's just see which number is missing, right? Okay, what do you think? 4 or 7? Do not think. Just answer logically. 3 minus 0 is 3. You cannot subtract 4 out of 7, so you need to borrow 1. 14 out of 7 is 7. You have already have 7. 7 take away what number equals 0? 7 take away 7 take away 7 is 0. The correct option is 7 take away 7 is 0. Okay, the next one is find the missing digit. So which digit is missing? Which is the correct option? Which one is missing? The missing one is 7. Not 7, it is 6. You don't have any option 6, that is 7. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let's just move on to next lesson. Okay, the next one is subtract numbers up to millions. So we're going to subtract now, right? Let's just start with the test questions. So you already know how to subtract. So let's just start with the practice questions. Okay, 6,111 minus 2,057. So which is the correct option? The correct option is, okay, let's just subtract. Let's see which is the correct option. how do you subtracting? Let me subtract 1 out of 7. You cannot subtract 1 out of 7, right? We need to borrow 1. When you borrow 1 from here, here you have 0, here you have 11. 11 minus 7 is 4, right? Now you cannot subtract 0 out of 4, so you need to borrow 1. So when you borrow 1, that makes 10. 10 out of 5 is 5. 0 out of 0 is 0, and 6 out of 4 2 is 4. Very good. That would be 4054, right? You can take your time, think, and then answer. The correct option is 4054. Okay, the next one is 6877 minus 2227, which is the correct option. The correct option is 7 minus 7 0, 7 minus 7 0, 8 minus 2 6, and 6 minus that is 4600. The correct option is 4600. One is 1987 minus 1511. So, which is the correct option? The correct option is option number 1. That is 476. Very good. Okay, the next one is subtract. The correct option is you cannot subtract 2 out of 5, so you need to borrow 1, right? That would be then 12 out of 5 is 12, take away 5 is 7. The correct option is 2495. Option number 2 is the correct option. 2497. Option 2 is the correct option. Very good. Okay, the next one is subtract 4926 minus 2486. So, which is the correct option? Which option is the correct one? The correct option is option number 1 is the correct option, right? The correct option is option number 1. Okay, 6669 minus 4, which is the correct option? The correct option is, yes, that is 6,665. Option number one is the correct option. Okay, 9,221 minus 7,776. The correct option is, that is 1,425. Option 2 is the correct option. Very good. Okay, the next one is 1,585 minus 201, which is the correct option. The correct option is, the correct option is 1,384. Very good. Okay, the next one is 2,353 minus 32, which is the correct option. 'The correct option is, yes, that is option number 2. Yes, Priyan, if you have any question, you can ask question. I can see your messages. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. And the next lesson is subtract numbers up to billions. Word problem. You have to do the word problems on your own, right? The next one is subtraction patterns over increasing place values. So you have to find the patterns when you are subtracting, right? So 8 minus what number is equals 4? 8 minus 4 is 4, right? Then you have 80 minus missing number is 40. So 80 minus what number is 40? 80 minus 40 equals 40, right? Then you have 800 minus the missing number equals 400, which is the correct option. That is 800 minus 400 equals 400. Let's just start with the test questions. Okay, 8 minus what number equals 4? 80 minus missing number 40. 800 minus the missing number equals 400. And then 8,000 minus the missing number equals 4,000. So which option is the correct one? Option 1 or option 2? Yes, the correct option is option number one. It is 4, 40, 400, and 4,000. Basically, just their place values are increasing, the numbers are exactly same, right? Okay, 5 minus missing number equals 3, 50 minus missing number 30, 500 minus missing number 300, then 5,000 minus missing number equals 3,000. So, which numbers are missing? The correct option is option number 2, that is 220, 200, and 2,000. Very good. Okay, the next one is which missing number minus 5 equals 2, missing number minus 50 equals 20, missing number minus 500 equal 200, and then missing number minus 5,000 equal 2,000. So which number is missing? So the correct option is yes, 770, 700, and 7,000. Option 1 is the correct option. Okay, complete the pattern. 9 minus 7, 9 minus 7, 90 minus 70, 900 minus 700, and 9,000 minus 7,000. So which is the correct option? Which option is missing? The correct option is 220, 200, and 2,000, right? The correct option is option number 2. Okay, the next one is complete the pattern. 8 minus 1 equals the missing number. Then 80 minus 10. 800 minus 100 equals the missing number. 8,000 minus 1,000 equals the missing number. Yes, the correct option is 770, 700, and 7,000. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, complete the pattern. 5 minus 1. 50 minus 10, 500 minus 100, and 5,000 minus 1,000. Which is the correct option? correct option is, that is option 1. Very good. 440, 400 and 4000. Okay, which is the next one? Missing number minus 5 equals 4. Missing number minus 50 equals 40. Missing number minus 500 equals 400. And then missing number minus 5000 equals 4000. So the correct option is, yes, that is 990, 900 and 9000, right? Option 2 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. And the next lesson is choose numbers with a particular difference. Let's just start with the practice questions. Okay, let's just start with the test questions. Okay, so you are given with some of the numbers, right? You need to see which two numbers when subtracted have a difference of 79. So which is the correct option? You are also given two of the options. Which two numbers when subtracted? Very good, that is 85 minus 6. When you subtract them, they make 79, right? 85 minus 6 makes 79. Very good. Okay, the next one is choose two numbers from the box to complete the subtraction sentence. Which two numbers when subtracted makes 82? Which is the correct option? Which two numbers when subtracted makes 82? Yes, that is option number 2. 80. Option number 1 is the correct option. 86 minus 4 equals 82. So option number 1 is the correct option. 86 minus 4 is the 86 and 4 is the correct option. 86 and 2. 86 minus 2 makes 84. Okay, choose two numbers from the box to complete the sentence. Dash and dash have a difference of 63. Which two numbers when subtracted make 63? Which is the correct option? Which two numbers have a difference of 63? Which is the correct option? That's 69 and 6, option number 2 is the correct option, right? When you subtract them, they make 63. Okay, choose two numbers from the box to complete the subtraction sentence. Dash and dash have a difference of 88. Which is the correct option? The correct option is very good. 96 minus 8 equals 88. Okay, the next one is choose two numbers from the box to complete the sentence. So, which two numbers have a difference of 7? Which is the correct option? The correct option is very good. 32 minus 25 makes a difference of 7. Got it? Okay, the next one is choose two numbers from the box to complete the subtraction sentence. So, which is the correct option? Which two numbers have a difference of 4? Yes, very good. They are 7 and 3. They have a difference of 4, right? Okay, choose two numbers from the box to complete the sentence. Which two numbers have a difference of 86? Which is the correct option? The correct option is the correct option is 88 and 2. Right, option 2 is the correct option. If you subtract 2 from 88, you will get the answer 86, right? Okay, the next one is choose two numbers from the box to complete the subtraction sentence. So, which two numbers have a difference of 12? Which is the correct option? Yes, that is 13 minus 1 equals 12, right? Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So, we're working on grade 4 math. The chapter we're working on is subtraction, and the lessons we have covered today are subtraction, fill in the missing digits, subtract numbers up to millions, and subtract numbers up to million word problem. You have to do this lesson on your own. And then subtraction patterns over increasing place values and choose numbers with a particular difference. So please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we did today. That is your homework until next session, right? So if you need more help with any of the lesson, you can join me in the interactive session that would be daily from 4 to 5 and from 9 to 10. So if you have any question, you can please ask. No questions. Okay, then it's all for today. See you in the next session. Bye everyone.